Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 11.19. Remove vowels from a string. So this problem is a follow-up after we visited problem 345, reverse vowels of a string. So here we're going to use string joint method and list comprehension to give a solution format. Let's first roughly look at the problem statement. So given the string S, remove the vowels R, A, E, I, O, U from it and return the new string. So here are two examples. For example, this is the return for example 1, and in example 2, all the characters or letters are vowels, so the return is empty string. So the constraints for this problem are the following. First, the string length is bounded below by 1. In other words, it's not null or empty. Bounded above by 1000. So this is actually a small number. So S consists of only lowercase English letters. So that's the problem statement. So here, because we have visited the slightly harder version for problem 345, so here we're going to write a one-line solution. So first, I'm going to use list comprehension to filter out the characters with vowels. So here, let's see, we do this character for character in S. If S is vowel, right? If S is not vowel, we're going to keep it. So if S not in, right? Not in the set. Let's see, A, O, E, I, U, right? So this is the characters with the correct order after we filter out the vowels. So we need to join them to return the right result. So let's do this. So that's it. This is the solution for this problem. So now let's do some test. So if S, so here is for character in S, if S is character, right? So now let's run the code. Yeah, it passes the first example. Now let's look at the second example. Yeah, the output should be empty string. So with that done, let's do the generic case test. Yeah, it passes all the generic tests. So here, basically, this problem logic is very simple or very straightforward. So we are practicing the string join method and list comprehension, right? So we return the result by way of list comprehension. The reason is that the string itself is immutable, right? While list is mutable. So, or we can, in the process, we can do filtering more precisely. So with that said, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you.